Howdy, I'm Nate with Dirt Lifestyle, and today we're going to talk about how to use your onX software to explore trails in an area that you've never been before. We're going to start with a laptop, but we're going to move our way to the phone because they both operate extremely similarly, but I want to make sure we're all on the same page and we cover all of our bases. So the first thing you need to do on a laptop is you need to open up onxmaps.com and then you're going to log in. I've already logged in. I'm looking at Moab because it's one of my favorite places to go travel to, and there are tons of trails that I still haven't been to. First things first, you can just click anywhere in the city of Moab and it'll tell you different local trails that are available based on where you're like pinpointing. Or you can click Discover, you get more options, you can scrub around, and as you scrub around, it will update and repopulate that list of options you have of places to go see. Green trails like this one here aren't gonna have as much trail data, but green means that it should be open to the public. Red trails would mean that it's closed to the public, and then if you want the most information about a trail, you're gonna click on one of these featured trails. The featured trails are blue, and this is gonna give you the most data, and it's gonna give you guidebook level information on the trail that you've selected. But we're just exploring around. So first, let's go here. Let's go to Moab Rim. That is one of my favorites. And as you can see, when we scroll down on this featured trail, we've got photos, we've got technical ratings, there's all kinds of information about these trails that's baked into the onX software. It is worth noting that you need to have a premium level membership in order to access this very high detail of information, but how rad is that? You don't have to buy any books or anything, it's all just right here in the app. Now that we've got it figured out on the laptop, let's do it on the phone. So first thing to do is just launch the onX app and sign in if you haven't already. It should already be signed in, that's how it works on mine. And I'm not looking at Moab, so we were gonna search Moab, Utah. As you can see, it looks very similar. We're gonna swipe that out of the way. We can click Discover. There's a whole bunch of different things that are local to where we're looking, but we can also click somewhere on the map and it tells you just a little bit about the area and shows some nearby trails that you can go and play around at. I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope that it helps you continue your journey on how to use this powerful software.